Today we will see applications of trigonometry, that is without actually measuring the heights or distances of bigger objects. How can we apply trigonometry and get the answer? Okay. So before we begin with this sum, the sum is of exercise 6.2 state board. First sum, a person is standing at a distance of 80 meters from a church looking at its top. The angle of elevation is 45. Find the height of the church. So the first part we take, a person is standing at a distance of 80 meters from a church. So suppose AB is your church. Fine. This is the church. Where is the person standing? Person is standing at a distance of 80 meters from a church. So this position C is of the person. Okay, this is the person standing at position C. Looking where? This person is looking at the top of the church. This is the top. Position A is the top of the church. The angle of elevation is 45. Now the person is looking up. Okay. So this line BC is called as the horizontal line, and if the person is looking up, this is called as the line of vision or the line of sight. If you are looking up, we call the angle that is formed as the angle of elevation. So this angle BCA is the angle of elevation. What do we have to find? The height of the church. That means we have to find this distance AB. I hope you understood what is given in the problem. Okay. So AB in right triangle ABC. AB is the church. C is the position of the person. Looking where? Looking at the top A of the church. Okay. Such that BC is equal to 8 meters and angle of elevation which is equal to BCA is equal to 45 degrees. Now the sum seems to be very big, but the solution is very simple. Do not be discouraged or disheartened by looking at the problem, children. Okay, just look into what is given to us. Now if you have a look at this angle C or angle 45, with respect to this 45 we have to find out the opposite and we have the adjacent. 45, with respect to this 45, AB is the opposite side and BC is the adjacent. Now this ratio, opposite upon adjacent, is nothing but your tan ratio. I hope you remember that. Okay, what do we call it as? The tan ratio. So tan 45 we just have to take. Are you getting that? Just we have to take what? Tan ratio, tan 45, and tan 45 you know is just 1. Value of tan 45 is 1. So we write angle BCA, that is angle 45 degree, which is nothing but for a right triangle ABC. Tan 45 will be equal to opposite side upon adjacent side. The opposite is AB, adjacent is BC. 1045 is what? 1. Opposite you have to find out. Adjacent we have been given as 8 meter. Not 8, 80 meter. Okay. So this is 80 meter, not 8 meter, children. Sorry for that. So therefore, what will be AB? AB is 80 into 1, 80 meter. And what is AB? The height of the church. Height of the church is 80 meter. Answer has to be written in complete statement.